I find that packing for holiday can be really difficult, so let's put together a capsule wardrobe for my 2-week trip to Japan. Japan! 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 Whew. As you can see, and as you can tell, I am super gassed to be going to Japan for 2 weeks. It's a bucket list trip. Like, I have been into anime for so long, since I was a kid, and I was like, I need to go to Japan where they make anime. And I just love Japanese culture and everything, so this is super exciting. Me and my girlfriend are going in a couple of days, so need to pack, need to be strict with myself and get in the items that I feel like I will wear or get good use out of. But one last thing for anyone that's new here, my name is Kobe, I'm based in London, I live with my girlfriend, and I work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, so making YouTube videos and content creation is my 5 to 9, which I absolutely love. So we're going to Japan, I'm gonna be making some Japan vlogs. Stay tuned, keep that notification bell on so that you can stay up to date with everything that we get up to and all of our recommendations for our 2-week trip to Japan. Welcome to anyone that's new, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the videos. Let's pack. Let's speed through these items. So I've got these black wide leg double pleated trousers from Jigsaw. I think they will be super nice to have that. Then I'm going with these weekday jeans, kind of linen. The weather isn't too cold from what I've seen. It's around 20 degrees, so I think that would be nice to have some beige in there, lighter color. Then we have these ones from COS, from the women's section. I really love these trousers. I don't feel like I wear them enough. I just wanted another pair of smart trousers, not just my black ones. And I find these to be quite comfortable as well, since they have, like, you can adjust the waistband. So I think that will work well. It makes sense for me to take these jeans. I'm going to Japan, some Japanese denim from Edwin. Love these, casual, pretty comfy as well. Then last pair of trousers are these joggers from Weekday. It's probably what I'm gonna be wearing when I'm lounging around, and definitely the ones I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. Trousers done. I think I have like a good selection. The issue is, like, I don't want to pack too much because I feel like I will buy things. I don't want my suitcase to be too heavy as well. So yeah, I was thinking about taking my cargos, but I think they're just too heavy to take with me. So let's stick with those trousers for now. Now we've got some shirts, tops, t-shirts. So I'm gonna take this shirt with me. This one is from Another Aspect. I've really been enjoying wearing it recently, so I feel like I can just style it quite interestingly when I'm away. So yeah, got this flannel shirt from No Nationality. I think it'll be really nice as well. It's kind of like a lightweight layer. If it's not like too cold, it'll work quite nicely. Then for t-shirts, we have quite a few of these. So this is the COS Clean Cut tee from the women's section. I only have one of them, but I'm thinking about getting another one because I wear it so often. And you can't just have one black tee. Like, it's always good to have more than one. Also recently copped it in white as well. Lovely. Do not like the off-white one. It seems to be super cropped and just doesn't fit properly. So I'd either go with black or white or any of the other colors. Then I've got this ringer tee from Mother. I think it's fun, be nice, adds a little pop of color to some of the outfits. I think like most of my t-shirts were quite monochrome, so just want to have this as an option in case. Then we have this Buck Mason tee. Always gonna take it with me, I love it. Brown, black, just gonna go with all of the pairs of trousers that I have with me. Then we have another brown tee. This one is from Uniqlo. Just bringing a few options with me because I do tend to sweat a lot, and given that it's like 20-ish degrees and we're going out in the day and we're going out in the evening, I probably do want to have a few t-shirts with me just to change and switch through in case I haven't had the chance to wash them. So yeah, COS rib tee, you know, classic, love it, everyone loves it. There's nothing to hate about it. I also have it in white, which I will be bringing with me, but for some reason it's not there. Then we have this Arc It t-shirt from the women's section. another black t-shirt just because I don't want to just have one. Again, options. This Jets jersey, pop of color, something fun, something a little bit different, kind of like the Mother t-shirt, the Mother Ringer tee. So yeah, and then we have this waffle top from Neil Wear, which I think will be quite nice. If it is a bit cooler, then I can wear it, gives me a little bit of warmth. Also coming back to London, I feel like it's gonna be quite cold because it has been quite chilly over the last couple of days. We've been below 10 degrees. Also works quite nicely, as you saw in my outfits video, to layer a t-shirt on top, which will be quite nice as well. Okay, so let's go to jumpers and jackets. Uniqlo overcoat, lightweight. I think it's gonna be perfect. I do feel like it is gonna rain quite a bit in Japan, and I think this provides a decent amount of protection. Might buy a raincoat when I'm out there, but this is quite nice. Denim jacket, don't wanna take anything too hot, too heavy with me. I feel like for the temperature that I have been seeing, denim jacket's gonna be fine. Then we have my track jacket from Fred Perry. Again, another nice lightweight layer. For something a little bit heavier, we do have a hoodie, which could be good for evening times when it's a bit chillier. So this one is from Bare Knuckles. Now, shoes, most difficult thing to pack. But yeah, it was hard for me to narrow these down to 4, but I think we've got it. First pair, loafers, you know, from Mango, lovely pair. Second pair, these DMA Movida 92 sneakers will be nice, comfortable to walk in. Our Legacy Camion boots, my most worn pair of footwear ever, so I have to take these. Probably gonna have to wear them to the airport because otherwise they'll take a lot of space. And then number 4, we have the Salomon XT6. I did want to narrow it down to just 3, but I felt like I wanted to have some trainers there, just in case, I don't know, I don't think I'll work out, but in the off chance that I do find a gym nearby or I do want to do a workout, then these will probably be the best ones to work out in, and also just a nice alternative from the Movida 92 DMAs, because these are quite comfortable as well. Accessories, caps. Don't need 3 caps, but I like to just have options. So Nike cap for 1, then we have this Idea one, and then we also have this blue Idea one as well. Again, pop of color, just in case, a few options. The last accessory, which I'm gassed to show you guys, is this bag that I picked up from COS, which I picked up on eBay. All leather, is so beautiful. Just like, look at this. Also, look, wear it like this, or I could have it like this, just on my shoulder. Probably gonna be my everyday bag when I'm in Japan. I can store quite a lot of things in here, put all my cameras in there as well. And yeah, there's just a lot of space. So I think that's perfect. Now that we've gone through the items, let's put together some outfits. And I think that we have plenty of items to make multiple combinations. So let's get it. the only thing that I would say that I'm unsure about is, have I packed too many t-shirts? It felt like a lot when I was going through all of those t-shirts, but we'll see. I think the thing about packing is, and especially going to Japan, is I don't want to just rely on the fact that I'm going to find these particular items that I'm looking for. I have a list of items that I want to buy, but you never know if you're actually going to pick them up. Like, let's say sneakers. If I don't bring the Salomons, then, you know, I don't have any trainers, and I may or may not pick up sneakers that I like when I'm there. So it's best to just pack what you want to pack, the items that you're enjoying, buy what you want to buy, and then I guess you just have to cross that bridge when it comes to it in terms of weight. I mean, my girlfriend and I, we have 46 kg between the two of us, so hopefully that should be fine. But we also do have 2 cabin suitcases as well. So fingers crossed, everything will be fine. And if worse comes to worse, we just buy another suitcase, which is fine. Ultimately, I need to pack. I need to do this alone because I'm super OCD, so it's gonna take me a long time to organize things properly. But stay locked in, turn on that notification bell, subscribe. The vlogs are probably gonna come out maybe a few weeks after I come back from Japan. I'm gonna aim to get them up as quickly as possible. So that's gonna be exciting. Lots of places saved on our map. So yeah, it's gonna be a sick trip with lots of recommendations for anyone that might be going to Japan in the near future. But yeah, I am so excited to be going to Japan. Ooh.